Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be unboxing the Apple iPhone 10 Leather Folio Case that I got a bargain on for only $24, and this is at the Apple Store selling for I think $100, $150, I don't know how much. It said $100 or something. And then for 24 bucks, that's a bargain. That's good price. I don't want to lose that opportunity paying 24 bucks for a Apple Folio Case. Let's unbox it, shall we? Ready? It's nice. It's with real leather. Pretty cool. That's it. I like it. Take this thing off. It's a fake iPhone 10. Ooh. It's the other way. Come on. There it is. And there it is. This is pretty cool. It's magnetic also. I like it. That's cool. So yeah, this is just a cool unboxing. And you can put money inside. In here, money, credit cards go in the side. Right here, pretty cool. I like this color, it's nice. So yeah. And then you can fold it back and talk on the phone like this. Or if you need to take a picture, you can slide it like this. And you can take a picture like this, and yeah, that's it. I might put my screen protector back on because I had the life-proof case with this. I'll probably be using this case like a everyday case, and then my life-proof case when I go biking. Yeah. The buttons are clicky. Pretty comfortable. Protection on the screen also. So yeah, that's the video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to hit the like button, smash that subscribe button, and hit the bell notification button to get notified when I next post. And yeah, and peace out.